All right, I just installed my rag joint on my steering box. So when you put it on, you gotta take this bolt all the way out and off, because if the bolt is on while you try to put it on, it won't go on, because there's a in between. So here's some teeth here, and teeth there. There's a little dip in the column. I should show you when it's in, but we slide it on and then put the bolt in and then line it up right in the center. Um, and then I figured out that a number 11 metric wrench fits real nice right on there, nice and snug. So don't grab something else. Grab that, fits on there, grabs all the teeth, so you don't want to strip anything. Get nice and snug, tight. Um, and that's it. I just had my tires straight when I did it, and it should be pointing up. Let's turn this a little bit. There we go. It should be in the, well, when I put it in, I put a notch right here so that this end was up when the wheels are straight. That's how I did it. So it looks like just the unit here is facing up when the wheels are straight. But you can always adjust that and fix that when you put the steering column in. But that's the rag joint.